Okay, right, let's go to Google. That's me right there. No, let's go to YouTube. Thousands every day come online on Google. Right, let's go back and simply search how to make money online. Look, I don't even have to write it. So thousands of people every day search how to online. Now, I brought you here for is to simply teach you, coach you, guide you, or be a mentor to you, partner with me, you know, be in business for yourself, you know, how you can start doing business online, because you have to be in business to make money online. Nobody's just going to give you money. You're not here for people to just hand out money to you. You're here to position yourself for business to make money online. So there are many opportunities online to go about doing that. So there are, when you type how to make money online, you know, many results, top. So look, 6,560,000,000 results, you know, so I want you to get lost. So what I've done is position myself to be able to guide others and make it simple for them to go about making money online. So next time you search how to make money online, include my name. How to make money online, Alban Gbo. That's me right there. Enter. Or you could simply search. Just not to get you lost, you know, there's so that when you get here, you know, you can simply email me. You see my email right there? Let me see if I can highlight that. Right, you see my email there, and it's a good thing I come on this MLM. I'll explain to you what that is. You see my email there? So all I want you to do is email me with your name and your details, just, or ask me for info on, you know, getting you started, you know, position you, getting you registered to be able to start making money online. So you could see, you know, how to make money online, Alban Gbo, or you could simply type my name, Alban Gbo. How to make money online. You could simply search Alban Gbo, how to make money online. So anything to do with making money online, just type my name with it, you know, so you don't get lost. You know, to make life easier for yourself, for you to be able to coach and guide you, you know. And you can simply contact me by email. Simply contact me by email. Right, there's my email right there. Simply contact me by email. Contact me by email, albanbgbo@gmail.com. So albanbgbo@gmail.com. You know, you can even follow me on Twitter if you like. Going on there. So every day, come online and search how to make money online. You know, but what I want you to do is simply go to this link. Make money online. You know, so you could search me online. You need someone who can coach you and guide you. MLM. Let's type MLM in Google. Like MLM. You see marketing, pyramid selling, network marketing, and referral marketing is a marketing strategy for the sale of products or services where the revenue of the MLM company is derived from a non-salaried workforce selling the company's product services, while the earnings of the participant. So to cut a long story short, there are companies out there, instead of going to public places such as television or the media such as radio, they introduce their opportunities to like-minded individuals just like us who want to take an interest with their opportunities, whether it's selling some lotion, potions. I'm sure everybody's been invited to get started with a business opportunity, and that's the first way people find out to go about earning a living, not online, but earning a living for themselves with a business opportunity. The first way is usually called multi-level marketing, and you'll hear the word pyramid, which sometimes frightens people, but what it basically means, so after the boss, after the CEO, there's like the manager. After the manager, there's the supervisor. After the supervisor, there's probably the assistant supervisors, and then there's those who are getting started and wanting to be assistant manager to become managers, and then to someday become bosses or even CEO of the companies they're working for. I hope you're with me here. So that's what really an explanation of a pyramid. So don't get scared of that word. It just simply means now you can position yourself. But like I brought you here. So if you type MLM, for example, I brought you here to simply position yourself for business. People are every day going online. If you type MLM and type my name, you don't have to put capitals. I was taking all this time to put capital. You type my name, MLM, let's see what comes up. Multi-marketing, I said, just simply email me letting me know you probably watched this video, letting me know you watched this video, of course, and to simply get back to you, or letting me know you're interested in, positioning yourself to start with a business online, internet business. I have opportunities available, allows me to earn as I introduce others to these opportunities, so you can simply email me. Right, this is what I wanted you to get on. Right, this is what I was looking for. Right, because thousands of every day how to make money online, there's an opportunity that allows you to recruit those people who want to make money online, who want to go about using the internet to earn a living. And there's an opportunity you can get started with a minimum fee, and it's called, and basically what I want you to do is go to www.legitmoneysystem.info, where you can simply get started for a minimum fee. You pay your one-time fee, and basically what you get is people every day, contacting you, coming to you, just like as I'm doing this, putting myself across out there, doing this audio and putting it up on YouTube. People out there across the world will watch it, and then they'll go to the link below this video, and there'll be a link there for people to just simply get started with this opportunity for a minimum fee, you will be able to learn how to recruit people who want to go about making money online. So you're recruiting those people, with this simple opportunity, you're recruiting people who want to go about earning a living online. So go to www.legitmoneysystem.info, where you can get started there with the same opportunity. I have so many opportunities on even if you type the website and you type my name, all I've done is position myself online. So anything to do with making money online, digital business membership coach, www.legitmoneysystem.info. So what we want you to do is go to this same link, and get started with this opportunity that allows you to recruit interested people, like-minded people who want to use the internet, not basically use the internet, but who want to be able to recruit people who like to earn a living using the internet. The opportunity will explain itself. I can go there myself at www.legitmoneysystem.info, but the reason why I'm not doing that is because it's self-explanatory or something along. Let me write that. It's self-explanatory or something like that. It's self-explanatory. See? Yeah. So if you go to www.legitmoneysystem.info, there will be an opportunity for you to get started for a minimum fee. This is a simple way for anyone, any beginner to pro, needs this system, as because I've got so many opportunities, but you would have to join this opportunity first so I can introduce you to more ways of earning more money for yourself, simply working for yourself from home or anywhere with internet access, but, position yourself to be a boss, working when you want and how you want, link below and get started today. Thank you.